Okay. Okay. Let me introduce myself. My name Muhammad Usman Alfianto. Now absency 18 and I am NET 24 2014 32 112. Okay. Now we talking about PMMC instrument or permanent magnet. Okay, like the image in this my PPT, you can see like the process about PMMC as well. And then done, siap. Construction of PMMC instrument, the control meter of this instrument are shown in fig. The moving coil is with many turn of enamel or slick covered copper wire. The coil is mounted on rectangular aluminum former, which is pivot on jewel bearing. The coil moves really in the field of a permanent magnet. Most voltmeter coil are wound on metal frame or provide the required electromagnetic damping. Most emitter coil, however, are one on non-magnetic formers. Thus, coil turns are effectively shot by the emitter sun. The coil itself, the roof provide electromagnetic damp parts from PMMC is like permanent magnet, rectangular coil, controlled spring, aluminum cylinder core, pointer, pivot, scale, thus proof and case. Magnet system. All style magnet system consisted of relative long usage permanent magnets, having of iron pole pieces. Owing to development of materials like Alcomax and Alnico, which have a high coercive force, it is possible to use small magnet rather than high field intensities. The flux distance used in PME-MC instrument vary from 0.1 VB until RM to 1 VB RM. Control. When the coil is supported with to gel, bearing to phosphor bronze, the spring provide the control circuit. The spring also serve to lead current and out of the coil. The control circuit is provided by the ribbon suspension as shown. This method is completely new and is claimed to be advantageous as elemented bearing protection. The relating coil, same is like in PPT, draw or picture, gel bearing. This is gel bearing. And then rectangular insert one on aluminium forward with large no upturns. Width of rectangle is less than distance B or V, values of PM with the NR gap. And then aluminum core. A light aluminum cylinder with pivot at top and bottom is made 2 feet over the axle of moving coil and acts as damping mechanism. Pointer and scale. Same like this the picture. Permanent magnet moving coil PMMC meter movement. The pointer is carried by the spindle and moved over graduate scale. The pointer is of lightweight contraction and apart from this used in some inexpensive instrument as this section over the scale to from fine blade. This helps to reduce parallax error in the reading of the scale. With the coil is supported between two jewel bearing two phosphor bronze, the spring provides the control circuit. The spring also serves to lead current in and out the coil. This proof case same like the picture in this my PPT. We have a pointer stop, pointer, permanent magnet, ball pieces, moving coil, spring under returning plate, zero adjust screw. The whole instrument is included in that roof case. The shape and size of the case depend on the capacity of the instrument and who the work or who the going to electric. Okay, like working in the working on the principle of this motor, when current passes through the coil, it produces flux of the car. Working the flux destiny the one side increase, while other side decrease. This imbalance exerts force on the conductor in the direction of less of destination. Then circuit. Circuit moment or moment of force is the tendency of a force to rotate an object about axis, fulcrum, or pivot. The electric circuit is total force, some distance is TD, and then is Nabi. Meaning of Nabi. Nabi and no of turn, B flux destiny, A area of cross section, A current. At the final deflection, TD is TC. Advantage, the PMC consumes less power and has great accuracy. It is uniformly dividend scale and can cover at 2017 degree. The PMMC has a circuit the ratio. It can be modified at ammeter or voltmeter with suitable distance. It has different damping characteristic and is not affected by stress magnetic field. It produces no loss to the hazards. Despite it, the moving coil instrument can only be used on DC to play as the removable or current product removable of circuit on the coil. It's very delicate and sometimes use AC circuit with rectifier. It's costly as compared to moving coil iron instrument. Yet many show error due to loss of magnetism of permanent magnet. You may also minimize the risk of electrical shock on chip. Error in PMMC instrument. The basic sort of error in PMMC instrument are friction, temperature, and aging of various parts. To reduce the critical error ratio of circuit to white is made very high. The most serious error are produced by the heat ignorant or by change in the temperature. This change the resistance of the working coil, causing large error in case of one matter. A large series resistance of very low temperature convention is used. This reduces the temperature error. The engine of permanent magnet at the control spring also cause error. A mentioned error in PMMC is caused by awakening of magnet and spring cause. The awakening of magnet causes less deflection, while awakening of control spring causes less deflection for a particular flow of current. The purpose of material and pre-again during manufacturing can reduce the error, the weakening of the control circuit. Maybe the drawings like this in my PPT, the simple temperature compression circuit for PMMC that use resistance in series with movable coil. As shown in the video, the resistor is called swamping resistor. It is made of maintaining a precisely zero temperature conversion combined with compare in the ratio of 20 or 1 or 20 be a 1. Something. Okay. Okay. Maybe enough the information to giving to you about the MMC. I hope you can understand well, and then thank you.